Crap! My first one!
Storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties: Arlington Falls, Church and Alexandria, Fairfax, King George, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Spotsylvania and Stafford. The following counties: in Maryland, Emerald, Carroll, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford and Southern Baltimore, and District of Columbia. Now for the official national
No way!
forecast for Charlottesville.
That is awesome!
KZZ.
This is awesome! Well, it's not coming yet. This is awesome!
A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the following counties: in Virginia, Arlington Falls, Church and Alexandria, Fairfax, King George, Prince William, Manassas and Manassas Park, Spotsylvania and Stafford, and the following counties: in Maryland, Emerald, Carroll, Central and Southeast Howard, Central and Southeast Montgomery, Charles, Northern Baltimore, Northwest Hartford, Northwest Howard, Northwest Montgomery, Prince George's, Southeast Hartford and Southern Baltimore, and District of Columbia. Tropical storm warnings are now in effect for portions of southern Maryland. Tropical storm watches remain in effect for the Baltimore and Washington metro area situation overview. Significant flash flooding of small streams and creeks is likely tonight into Tuesday evening as rainfall associated with tropical storm EAS spreads northward. Widespread rainfall totals of 3 to 6 inches are expected with locally higher amounts possible. The highest amounts are expected east of the Blue Ridge Mountains, particularly over the I-95 corridor late tonight through Tuesday. Moderate coastal flooding is also possible at times of high tide Tuesday as EAS makes its closest approach to the area. Minor wind damage and scattered power outages are also possible, especially across southern Maryland.
Yes! Well, here's the proof you need. I mean, it's right here. You do not believe how rare this is, especially for Virginia. But check it out. I mean, it's on all of them. Look at that. Tropical storm warning. Start AM 11:05. End PM 5:05, probably in 300 days. I think it's on this one too. There we go. That's any of my radio's first tropical storm warning. So I'm really happy about that. Oh, focus, you piece of camera. I'm so happy.